Good morning. The way I do things now is completely different. We have a value that we add that you can't get any other way, and that's peace of mind. The only people in the world you should take advice from are people successful in the field they are giving advice in. So why real estate? I know you guys have already made this decision for real estate or you wouldn't be sitting here, but first and foremost is immediate income. You can literally make money within weeks, if not months, right now. You don't have to, I keep talking about 5 to 7 years. That's the passive money to get to your future vision, but you can make immediate money, you can make actual income in a short term. What I teach now, you're going to find is going to be the exact opposite from what you might have been taught. So everything that I teach is going to be the exact opposite of what you've been taught in another room. People need to know there's another way. There is another way. You don't have to just drown in debt because, everyone teaches you. Even all the big names you know of, they teach you, debt, good debt, get leverage, and leverage is fantastic, and you can make a ton of money with leverage until you don't. And then when you don't, everything you have, everything you built is all a house of cards. And so that is why we find it really important to do business the way we do business now.